Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Volvo XC90 hybrid. First, understand that your vehicle uses two main charging methods, Level 1 and Level 2. Level 1 charging uses a standard household outlet, while Level 2 requires a dedicated charging station. Proper connection is crucial for safe and efficient charging, so always double-check your cable before walking away. Let's dive into the specifics of each method. Level 1 charging is the simplest way to power up your Volvo XC90 hybrid. You just plug into any standard 120-volt household outlet, similar to charging your phone. While it's the slowest option, adding approximately 4 miles of range per hour, it's perfect for overnight charging when your car is parked for extended periods. This method is incredibly convenient and requires no special installation, making it accessible to everyone. For much faster charging, Level 2 is your best option. This method utilizes a 240-volt power source, similar to what large appliances use, and can fully charge your XC90 hybrid battery in roughly 3 to 5 hours. While it requires a dedicated charging station, often installed by a professional electrician, the convenience of quicker charging at home is a major benefit. Many public charging stations also offer Level 2 charging. To optimize your charging experience, always monitor your vehicle's charging status through the dashboard or the Volvo Cars app. This ensures you know when your car is ready to go. Also, consider scheduling your charging during off-peak electricity hours, which can significantly reduce your energy costs. For more financial wisdom, check the description for a link to The Simple Path to Wealth and other great deals. Happy charging and enjoy your efficient Volvo XC90 hybrid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.